Today is November 7th, 2025. And HKD just did something most tickers never do once they have been left for dead. And we have a reaction. We have had a reaction off this primary descending price support level off the bullish falling wedge setup. And this was not just a wiggle. Zooming into the daily interval, and this was not an additional scalp bounce. This was a pretty decent violent ignition straight off the base. And now we see who was watching the whole time. Where this is not a retail bounce, this could be a week-long accumulation under the $2 handle. Quiet, deliberate, and intentional here. Testing its 200-day moving average. And one vertical surge. A spike straight into the declining 50-day moving average price support level in confluence of its descending price support. As you can see, I had it created November 2nd, 2025, and I have yet to have adjusted and or edited it. And instead of collapsing instantly, the price held this retrace. And now it's sitting right back on the breakout line of the 195 handle in confluence of its 200-day moving average. This will be a telling line in the sand here, and it could be right back on the breakout line, taking this level out to re-challenge the 261 major breakout zone. And this is like a hand on a trigger here. As I have said in my previous video, the 261 handle is the door. Close above it and liquidity will erupt, and the chart will enter a thin volume vacuum where price jumps. Fail here, and it's a retest of the descending price support level. If not, the 165 handle must hold really at all costs to avert any additional damage to be inflicted upon these key inflection points. This is the hinge moment. This is where the entire short ladders start to tremble. RSI beginning to churn, not overheated with fuel left in the tank here. Price percent oscillator flipped from a negative and or positive position with the trend change attempt. Volume expansion, momentum is not yet full-blown euphoria, and it's exactly why it can continue to build to the upside. For now, HKD has stopped dying. And the question now isn't whether it rises, but who realizes this move first. And all it takes is one candle that tells you somebody remembers.